Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The Best Waxer Hair Removal Kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for achieving smooth, hair-free skin in the comfort of your own home, offering a professional-grade experience without the salon price tag. This innovative kit empowers you to take control of your grooming routine, tackling unwanted hair on various body parts with precision and ease, making it an indispensable tool for anyone seeking long-lasting results and a confident glow. Number 5. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. Introducing the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit, specially formulated for sensitive skin. Enjoy a safe and effective hair removal experience right at home. This versatile kit is perfect for all areas, including your face, bikini line, and full body. Achieve smooth skin with confidence and ease. Say goodbye to salon visits. Our easy-to-use kit provides professional results in the comfort of your own home. It's designed for a hassle-free experience. We've included everything you need for a complete waxing treatment. The prep and aftercare spray ensures optimal results and soothes your skin. Monitor your waxing temperature with precision thanks to the clear digital display. This feature ensures the wax is always at the perfect consistency. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also looks great. This kit combines elegant design with powerful hair removal technology for a superior experience. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for sensitive skin, making it a gentle option for facial and body hair removal. If you have easily irritated skin or are prone to redness, this is a great choice for a comfortable at-home waxing experience. Its all-inclusive nature means you have everything you need right out of the box. What people say. The wax warmer heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making the waxing process smooth and efficient. This kit includes a variety of wax beans suitable for different skin types and hair thicknesses, offering a comprehensive hair removal solution. The design of the wax warmer is compact and aesthetically pleasing, fitting well into any bathroom or personal grooming space. Number 4. KOTAMU Pink Digital Waxing Kit. Introducing the KOTAMU Pink Digital Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. Designed for both women and men, this versatile kit is perfect for all areas. From your face and eyebrows to your body and sensitive bikini areas, it handles it all. The digital wax warmer ensures precise temperature control for optimal melting and application. Enjoy a safe and effective waxing experience every time. This comprehensive kit includes 25 accessories to get you started immediately. Everything you need for a complete waxing session is right here. Experience salon-quality hair removal without the salon price tag. It's perfect for both home use and professional salon settings. Formulated for effectiveness and gentleness, it's ideal for sensitive skin types. Get smooth skin without the irritation. What we like. With its digital temperature control and a generous 25 accessories, this kit offers precision and versatility for both women and men. If you're looking for a comprehensive waxing solution that allows for detailed work on areas like eyebrows or a full body treatment, this warmer is a solid pick. It's ideal for those who appreciate having a wide array of tools at their disposal. What people say. It's easy to use, set the temp, and no need for waxing strips. This hardens and pulls off flawlessly. The wax warmer heats up to the right temperature and maintains it consistently, which makes the process much easier and safer. It works great for face, brows, body, and sensitive areas. The wax heats evenly and applies smoothly, making hair removal quick and far less painful than I expected. It grips even short hairs really well and leaves my skin feeling soft, clean, and irritation-free. Number 3. KOTAMU Black Digital Wax Kit. Introducing the KOTAMU Black Digital Wax Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. It's designed for both women and men, making at-home waxing simple and effective. This professional wax warmer is perfect for sensitive skin areas like your face, eyebrows, and underarms. Achieve salon-quality results without irritation. Whether you have coarse or soft hair, this kit handles it all. It effectively removes unwanted hair from legs, face, and anywhere else you need it. Get everything you need for a professional waxing experience. This kit includes the digital wax warmer and 25 essential accessories for home or salon use. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. This user-friendly device makes waxing convenient and efficient for everyone. What we like. This black digital wax kit is engineered to tackle coarse hair effectively, offering a professional-grade experience at home. If you struggle with stubborn hair growth on legs, underarms, or other areas, this warmer is designed to provide efficient removal. Its ability to work with both hard and soft waxes makes it adaptable to different hair types and preferences. What people say. It's easy to use, set the temp, and no need for waxing strips. This hardens and pulls off flawlessly. The wax warmer heats up to the right temperature and maintains it consistently, which makes the process much easier and safer. It works great for face, brows, body, and sensitive areas. The wax heats evenly and applies smoothly, making hair removal quick and far less painful than I expected. It grips even short hairs really well and leaves my skin feeling soft, clean, and irritation-free. Number 2. BLITZWAX Brazilian Bikini Waxing Kit. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin in the comfort of your home. This kit is designed for easy, effective hair removal on your face, legs, and body. Never waxed before? No problem. This kit is beginner-friendly, guiding you through the process for salon-quality results without the hassle. Experience rapid, digital temperature control for optimal waxing. It heats up quickly, ensuring you're ready to go in no time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full waxing experience. Get ready to tackle any area with confidence. From Brazilian areas to your bikini line, face, and body, this kit provides a complete solution for smooth, radiant skin. Enjoy the convenience of professional waxing results without leaving your house. Achieve a flawless finish with this all-in-one solution. What we like. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit boasts fast heating and a substantial 51 wax items, making your first waxing experience smooth and successful. If you're new to at-home hair removal and want a user-friendly setup with plenty of supplies, this is an excellent option. It simplifies the process, ensuring you can achieve salon-quality results without the hassle. What people say. It provides a number of different types of wax to use, sticks, gloves, before and after spray and directions. The digital thermostat counts it up or down to the exact desired temp. Wrist test good. Consistency and temp perfect at 150. The wax beads heated up pretty quickly, so I did not have to wait long to use it. Number 1. Ulike Air 10 IPL Hair Removal Device. Introducing the Ulike Air 10, your ultimate solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Experience professional-grade hair removal from the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to discomfort. Its innovative ice-cool technology ensures a nearly painless treatment, making hair reduction a breeze. Achieve permanent hair reduction in as little as 10 minutes per session. Enjoy long-lasting smoothness without the hassle. Equipped with advanced dual lights, it targets hair follicles effectively. The integrated skin sensor ensures safe and optimal treatment for your unique skin type. Featuring the USHR mode, it adapts to your needs for a personalized experience. This device is designed for both women and men seeking a convenient and effective hair removal solution. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The Ulike Air 10 is an ideal present for anyone wanting to achieve smooth, radiant skin with ease and comfort. What we like. This device offers a path to permanent hair reduction with its advanced IPL technology and cooling feature for a nearly painless experience. If you're seeking a long-term solution to hair removal and want to minimize discomfort and treatment time, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those who desire smooth skin with minimal ongoing effort and want to achieve results in just 10 minutes. What people say. The hair roots are less visible and the skin in those areas looks and feels much smoother. It has a good design, is easy to use and seems to be excellent quality. It cools while doing the laser on the skin, which helps reduce pain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.